Hi guys, welcome to my channel today, and today we're going to do the first episode of the Ultimate Biology course. The first episode is called The Cell. This is made with this book. Credit to this book called Cellular Biology, Organelles, Structure, Function by April Chloe Terrazas, book 1 of the Super Smart Science series. You should read that book. It will also teach you some stuff. Anyways, let's get started. This is the nucleus. And this is where the DNA is stored and made so the cell can be created. Your body takes these instructions in the DNA and creates cells and all kinds of stuff. These are the centrioles. And then the centrioles help the cell make new cells. And then these are the microtubules. And then microtubules are organelles inside the cell. Microtubules move things around inside the cell. And then, so basically it's like this. And there's like nutrients here that are being moved around. Later in this video, we're going to talk about how nutrients work and stuff. This is the mitochondria. And the mitochondria is like a powerhouse and makes energy so your cells can do their tasks. They actually came from a bacteria that got swallowed by cells a long time ago. But instead of getting digested, they somehow just became an organelle. Organelles are basically cell organs, just in case you don't know. And lysosomes are basically like trash cans. Stuff you don't want, like extra salt and stuff and poisons go in here, and then they just get filtered out. These are hormones. They do random stuff like make teenagers look grown up and make you feel happy or make you feel sad. And just in case you didn't know already and you weren't listening at the beginning, remember, this is credit for this book. Anyways, this is the Golgi. And then it creates they're like made of layers, and then they create packages in other parts of the cell, or even send things out of the cell. They're basically like trade centers. Ribosomes build proteins. These are like ribosomes. And then ribosomes build proteins, like I said earlier. Membrane proteins are like are s- these are these thingamajigs right here. And then they move small things in and out of the cell. They're like the airport, basically. So if you didn't know already, the cytoplasm is what fills that little fluid water thing that fills up the cell. If it wasn't there, your cell would just be a dried pulp with all these organelles in it, but no, it would be a very dried pulp. These are vesicles. Vesicles are little packages, and vesicles carry things like hormones in and out of the cell. So and then the hormones come in from here. Cell membrane is what keeps all this stuff inside. If it wasn't there, your cell would just explode and all its contents would flop out and go into nothingness. And it would be useless. It's basically kind of like your skin. Anyways, like I said earlier, we're gonna talk about vitamins and nutrients. Proteins give you muscle and repair parts. Fat, you need you don't need too much, but you don't need too little. You need some fat, otherwise you're gonna be like freezing cold. And minerals. There's like tons of minerals, but I'm not gonna explain all of them for now because we're running out of time and I can't make any more videos unless I do stuff. So and then after minerals, there's vitamins, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are needed for energy. And after that, we need fiber. Fiber is very important because you need it in your gut so your bacteria get improved and better. And that's it for today.